Hi guys, I'm Liam from wargame stuff and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to do an unboxing of this box of GreenStuffWorld that arrived last day. Of course there's the sticker, oh my god. Now we have two packs of colors. This is the pack of the blue colors, and this is the sticker that we're going to stick on my wardrobe later, of course, as usually. I have another one of these stickers stuck on my computer and another one on the laptop. So this is interesting. This is a graveyard module, a 3D module of a graveyard. I can't wait to build it. Then we have a green pack of colors, a pack of green colors, like the one we saw before. So we have a color a pack of blue colors and another one with green colors. Well, I should say these are very useful. Oh, then we have another module of this is like a stronghold. This is beautiful. Look at it. Yeah, it's like a castle. So these are all the materials we found. Two color packs, one with the blue ones and the other with the green ones, and also these two 3D models. Now the best part. Let's go to stick the sticker on my wardrobe. By the way, this is the end of our video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share this video to all of your friends, and also the link in the description. So see you next time. Goodbye.